Today I'm going to teach you how to use a sock aid to complete dressing independently. Dressing is a part of your activities of daily living, and it's good to know how to do things like that independently. You could use a sock aid for low muscle strength or range of motion, limited range of motion, and you could use a sock aid for if you are hemiplegic, if you have precautions after surgery. For say you had hip surgery and you have hip precautions and you can't bend your hips past 90 degrees. And also a lot of stroke patients that are recovering use this because they're weaker. What you're going to do is you're going to place this in between your legs for support, right at the knees, and then you're going to put this sock on at the end and pull it all the way up to these strings. You're going to make sure it doesn't bunch so that when you put it on the floor in front of your foot and lift it up, it doesn't bunch on your foot so that you have to fix it. You're also going to make sure that you dress the weak side first. So if you have a weak side from a CVA or from anything else, you're going to put the sock on that foot first. So, and when you're ready to drop this gently on the floor, you grab these two strings and you place it down like this. And then you pull it forward onto your foot, like so. And then you repeat for the other side also, if needed. And for safety reasons, you always want to have armrests on the sides of the chair or support on the side of you when you're doing an activity like this for stabilization. Job.
Thank you.
You can move.
Sorry.
Now we're going to do a feeding activity. If you have incoordination, low vision, or if you have limited range of motion, or say you're weak on one side from having a stroke or something like that, you can always use this grip liner to say this is your weak arm. You can place it on here or have somebody help you place it on here so your arm isn't just dangling while you're eating. Also, if you have low vision, you can use a red or a strong colored grip liner so that you have an easier time finding your, usually plates are on the white or light colored side, so finding your plate and your silverware. If it's hard for you to pick up your silverware, you can also take pieces of grip liner and tape it, roll this up, and tape your grip liner to make a chunkier piece for your utensils, and it's also going to be easier for your hand to grip. Another good thing about grip liner while you're eating is if you have trouble stabilizing your plate, this will help you stabilize it. It's always better to use a plate that is has taller edges, and if you were like going like this, it's harder to tip over on.